Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bike rear air shock. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is CNC Bicycle Air Rear Shock. Specifications: brand name, Chewy. Material, aluminum, alloy. Size, 160 to 190 millimeters. Use, mountain bikes. Cooperation brand, CNC. Color, black plus red. Material, aluminum alloy. Travel, 45 to 57 millimeters. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is D&M AO-38RC Air Shock. Specifications: brand, D&M. Use, mountain bikes. Model, AO-38RC. Type, remote lock, manual lock. Length, 165, 190, 200, 210 millimeter. Travel, 35, 50, 53, 53 millimeter. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected D&M AO-38RC Soft Tail Mountain Bike Rear Air Shock. Specifications: brand name, Monarch. Material, alloy. Use, mountain bikes. Origin, mainland China. Model number, AO-38RC. Size, 165, 190, 200 millimeter. Item number 2 is SRAM ROCKSHOX Monarch RLC3RS MTB Bike Rear Shock. Specifications: brand name, SRAM. Model number, Monarch RL. Material, alloy. Use, mountain bikes. Origin, TW, Origin. On the top of our list at number 1 we have D&M AO-36RC. Specifications: brand name, Monarch. Model number, AO-36RC. Material, aluminum, alloy. Size, 165 millimeter. Use, mountain bikes. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.